In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add React components to your Webflow site. So first, build your React component separately. You can use a tool like Vite or create React app, then design your component like a pricing table, form, or interactive widget. Also, make sure that you bundle your React app. Run the build command so it generates static JavaScript and CSS files. Now upload those files to a hosting service like Netlify, Vercel, or any CDN. This gives you a public URL for your script. Once done, head over to Webflow. Of course, open up your project. Then next in the left panel, click on the Add button and add an embed element. So you can either use code embed or a code block, and make sure that you place it where you want the component to appear. And inside it, create a simple container like a div with an ID, something like root. And if the connection is successful, your React component should now be live and interactive inside Webflow. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!